Cloudways is known for its exceptional server performance, stability, and reliability. Their hosting platform supports all PHP-based applications including WordPress and Magento. Cloudways offer very affordable prices in terms of the quality of their products. Let's talk about how Cloudways works. Cloudways buy web hosting services from giants like Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, Linode, or Amazon AWS. Cloudways buys the server for you, sets it up, and gives you a control panel, so with Cloudways, you will get great performance servers together with software to control them. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of Cloudways. With Cloudways you will get a completely free trial period, free automated backups, free site migration, 24/7 support and live chat, team collaboration tools, free caching WordPress plugins, PHP-ready servers, content delivery network, CDN, service, auto-healing servers, one-click free SSL certificate, pay-as-you-go plans. Cloudways is WordPress, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Magento, Joomla, and Drupal friendly. Now let's talk about the cons. Cloudways doesn't offer domain name registration, but you can get a domain name from a third-party seller like Namecheap. Cloudways doesn't have cPanel, they have their own console to help you manage everything you host on their servers. Cloudways also doesn't include email hosting. Now let's talk about the speed and performance of Cloudways. Cloudways WordPress users will get hosting on SSD servers featuring advanced caching for speed, update versions of PHP, Apache, or NGINX web servers, and MySQL databases. You'll also get used to the Breeze WordPress caching plugin to help improve the page load times for your site. If you have an existing WordPress site, the Cloudways Automated Migrator tool will help you migrate your site in just 3 steps. Cloudways servers are well distributed to handle maximum traffic, leading to fast page speeds and excellent overall uptime. Cloudways uptime is 99.99% and loading speeds are around 400 to 600 milliseconds. The main reason for this is that the company partners with DigitalOcean, Google Cloud, Volta, Linode, and Amazon AWS, which are among the best cloud providers within the industry. I tested server speed for this review. Google Page Speed Insights rated my test site 100 out of 100 on both mobile and desktop, while Pingdom rated it with a 96 out of the 100 speed score. Cloudways has servers in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, France, Japan, Germany, and the Netherlands. For many of the countries listed, it is also possible to select a city, so you can have your server geographically closer to your visitors. Cloudways vertical scaling allows you to scale your server according to your website application needs. For example, if your application is experiencing a spike in traffic, you can easily allocate more RAM to your server in order to handle the increase in popularity. All those features together allow Cloudways to provide outstanding performance and site speed. Their loading times are 40% to 50% better than those offered by shared web hosting, which user reviews confirm. The free trial period is 3 days, which is enough to properly test Cloudways' features, speed, and ease of use. During the trial period, you can choose to upgrade to a paid offer and get your existing site migrated to Cloudways. Now let's talk about the pricing and plans. Cloudways' entry price is only $10 per month, but the prices do depend on the resources you need, and the company provides various plans to fit all kinds of websites no matter what your needs are. Cloudways offers 5 different cloud service providers which you can choose from the cheapest: DigitalOcean, Linode, Volta, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. DigitalOcean, that's starting from $10 per month, then we have a Linode from $12 per month, Volta from $11 per month, Amazon Web Services from $34 per month, and finally Google Cloud Platform starting at $33 per month. I think Volta can be a good choice between price and performance. If you're planning to make a purchase, then consider using the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount. Now let's talk about Cloudways and WordPress. If you're interested in WordPress hosting, then Cloudways makes it incredibly easy. You get one-click installation, backups and restores, a built-in cache plugin, the ability to migrate as many WordPress sites as you want for free with WordPress Migrator plugin, and also the ability to scale your WordPress server. Honestly, it's super easy and super user-friendly, even for those of you who may not be very experienced in WordPress. Cloudways hosting also has a very great staging area so that you can test everything you put on your WordPress site before it actually goes live. Now let's talk about Cloudways' ease of use. Using Cloudways is easy, even for a non-tech savvy customer. When testing Cloudways plans, I have been positively surprised by how the company makes it fast and easy for users to sign up for a plan or their free trial. After you've made your website, you don't want another headache in building yet another system. Cloudways makes the installation process easy out of the gate, with one-click setups and free migration included. Adding applications and upgrades is just as easy. The Cloudways setup is well structured and easy to navigate. The Cloudways staging area allows you to set up your back-end updates and test them here before committing to going live, giving you maximum peace of mind. Cloudways supports one-click application install of WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, etc. With the control panel, Cloudways users can easily manage the most vital aspects of their website, web application. Cloudways also offers SSH and FTP accesses for more complex tasks you might want to execute on your server. They have their own control panel, so no cPanel. It looks modern but not exactly the most intuitive. After a couple of hours using their interface, you'll know how to do most things. Bear in mind that Cloudways comes with a lot of options, which can be intimidating for beginners. Now let's talk about Cloudways customer support. Cloudways has its own managed platform, so you can spin up servers and deploy your app of choice in minutes. And you get access to support should you run into any issues. After signing up for Cloudways free trial, I got in touch with customer support and asked a few questions. After the bot was unsuccessful at answering my queries, I got transferred to a support agent who provided me the help I needed, and the customer service was actually very helpful. Cloudways customer support can be reached via live chat, email, or phone. Now let's talk about how to set up Cloudways free trial. Setting up your free trial is quick and easy. All you need to do is go to the Cloudways site from the link given in the description below this video. Click on the Start Free button on the top right of the screen. And you will need to provide your name and a valid email address, and no payment information is required. The free trial period is 3 days, which is enough to properly test Cloudways features, speed, and ease of use. During the trial period, you can choose to upgrade to a paid offer and get your existing site to migrate to Cloudways if you enjoy their services. If you are ready to buy, then make sure to get it from the link given in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the latest review and offers videos like this. Thanks for watching.